Hello guys, I'm Grace Elena Simbolon and my friends
Faunia Bakhtiar.
And I am Serlinopi Fitrioka.
We are from Raja Ali Haji Martim University,
Faculty of Teacher Training and Education,
Mathematics Education Study Program.
We are here to fulfill English assignment for math. So, keep watching guys!
What time is it? How come Pania hasn't come yet? Even though appointment 11 a.m.
Yeah, why did it take so long, Faunia? Look, your right is so cute. It's a circle.
It's normal, Grace. Oh yeah, yesterday we just learned about the circle.
Yeah, we also learned about circle yesterday. Look, this Faunia.
Hi guys. Sorry I'm late. What are you talking about?
It's okay, Faunia. We are talking about circular objects.
Oh, a circular. This motorcycle tire is circular.
Yes, we also show that the traffic seen along the road were also in the shape of circular.
Will what other circle set around you? Try comment below, guys.
Grace, do you still remember the characteristic of circle?
Of course, I remember. Before we learn about the characteristic circular, we should know about the definition of circular. Before we learn about the characteristic of circular-sided two-dimensional object, we should know about the definition of circular-sided two-dimensional object. When an area on planet is constrained by at least one circular part or curve or arch, then the figure is termed a circular two-dimensional object. Circle, ellipse, and semicircle are three among them. Circle is defined as area bounded by the set of points on a plane that has a fixed distance r, called radius, from a fixed point O, called the center of the figure itself. Example, pizza, cookies, coins, and rings. Ellipse is the set of points in which the amount of distance toward the specific point are contains. The specific points are called focal point. Example, soap and egg. Semicircle is an half of circle. Literally, it contains a line and arch. The line comes from the diameter of full circle. The arch is half of circumference of a full circle. Example, protractor and half of pizza. Are there any other example around you? Please comment in the comments column, guys. So the characteristic of a circle are: center point is a point located in the middle of the circle. O is center of a circle. It is also called fixed point of a circle. Radii is a line drawn from the center point of the circle to circumference. For example, OA is a radii of a circle. Set of radii within the circle is called radius. Diameter is a straight line connecting two points on a circle circumference and through the center. Diameter in the picture is the line AB. The value of the diameter is twice the value of radius. Arc is curve that is located on the circumference of the circle and connects any 2 points on the curve. Curve AC, CB, and AB are examples of the arc of a circle. Chord is a straight line in the circle connecting 2 points on a circle arch. Different with diameter, the chord does not pass through the center of the curve of the circle is shown by the straight line AC. Segment. Any slice made by a chord is called a segment. Segment is bounded by a chord and arch. In the picture, segment is shown by area constrained by the arch AC and AC chord. Sector in the circle is like a pizza slice. Sector is area bounded by 2 radius and 1 arch. The sector in the circle is shown by area constrained by the radius OC and OB, and arch BC called the sector BOC or pi BOC. Apothegm. On a circle, apothegm is a line connecting the center point of the circle with the circle chords line, are formed perpendicularly to the chords. OE line is one of the apothegms of the circle.
Good job, Grace, because you still remember the material compared by the lecture. Guys, but did you know that circle have angles?
Huh? How can a circle have angles?
Of course, Shirley. So, in the circle, there are also angles. Now, Fania, try to explain to Shirley and friends how the angles in the circle are.
Okay, guys, I will explain the angles in the circle. Shirley and friends, please listen my explanation. Here there is a circle, where point O is the center point of the circle. OA and OB are the radii of the circle. The angle AOB is called the center angle, which is the angle whose vertex is the center point of the circle. Then angle AOB faces arch AB. Point O is the center point of the circle. Points A, B, and C lie on the circumference or arch of the circle. The angle ABC is called the inscribed angle, which is the angle whose vertex lies on the circumference of the circle. The relationship between the center and perimeter angle when facing the same arch. I have discussed earlier that angle AOB is the center angle, and angle ACB is the inscribed angle. When angle AOB and angle ACB face the same arch, arch AB, the relationship is obtained. Angle AOB is equal to times the ACB angle. Angle ACB is equal half times the angle AOB. Example, Guys, look the picture at beside me. O is a center point of a circle with angle QOR equals 20 degree. So, what is the angle QPR? So friends, we use the formula to find the inscribed angle of a circle, which is half times the center angle. So, half times 20 degrees equals 10 degrees. Friends, you can answer the second question in the comment column. So that's the angles inside the circle.
Oh, thank you, Faunia. I remember now.
Well, because Sally has remembered the material about the circle, so to test the understanding of the circle, do you think remember how to calculate area and perimeter of a circle?
Of course, I still remember. How about you guys? Do you still remember? Let's practice with me.
Hi guys, look this. This is a circle. Now, to practice measuring the area and perimeter of the circle, we will measure the circle directly on the badminton court. So, let's go!
Okay guys, we can see that the diameter of the circle is 62 centimeter. Let's just plug it into the formula for the area and circumference of the circle that we got earlier. Area of circle equals to V times R squared equals to 3.14 times 21 times 21 equals to 370.54 centimeter. Okay guys, next we will find the circumference of circle using the formula. Circumference of circle equals to V times diameter equals to 3.14 times 22 equals to 194.68 centimeter.
The first step is to cut a circle into a sixth circle. 2. Then arrange the sixth circle by joining the radius of the circle to form a flat parallelogram. 3. Then we consider the arrangement of the sixth circle as a parallelogram. 4. And we already know that the formula for the area of a parallelogram is the area of the base times the h. In the figure, half the circumference of the circle is the base of the parallelogram and the radius of the circle is the h of the parallelogram. So, the formula for the area of a circle is area equals to base times h. Area of circle equals to V times radius squared. Prove the formula for the circumference of a circle if the radius and diameter are known. First, we make one circle with diameters of x centimeter. Then, we open a curved line on the circle to form a straight line. Then, we measure this straight line using a rule. If you have got it, we enter the resulting value into the formula. Diameter equals to circumference over V. So, that we get 25.15 over 8 equals to 3.14 for a diameter of 8 centimeter. And then, to find the circumference of a circle, we just need to enter the formula V equals to circumference over diameter, so that circumference equals to V times diameter, or V equals to 2 times P times radius.
Circular-sided two-dimensional objects have several defining attributes of a circle are center point, diameter, radius, chord, arc, sector, segment, and apothegm.
Then, a circle can contain two kinds of angle, are center angle and inscribed angle, with the formula of area of a circle is P times radius square and circumference is P times diameter.
We hope that's all you can understand the material that we convey. Hopefully this material is useful for the all of us. That is all from us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.